Today, we're gonna have a mushroom cream sauce over hearts of palm angel hair pasta. We're going to be using the palmini angel hair pasta, which is hearts of palm. I use one package of these per serving. So for this 2-serving recipe, you're gonna need two 12-ounce packages. Hearts of palm is so easy to use. Open the package, rinse them, they're ready to eat. You can also boil them to make them a little bit softer, but it's not necessary. I do like to pat them dry because they can hold moisture. I'm going to start by cooking our mushrooms. I'm going to do both white mushrooms and brown mushrooms. Once those have cooked down a little bit, we're actually going to weigh those. We're going to want 5.5 ounces of mushroom. Once we have weighed that out, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped onions and 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. And we're just going to let that simmer for just a minute. While that's simmering, we're going to go ahead and use our immersion blender, and we're going to blend up our 12 ounces of cottage cheese. And we're just going to blend that until it's nice and smooth. Once that has been simmering for 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to add a half a cup of low sodium chicken stock. Then we're going to add the 12 ounces cottage cheese. Just mix that all up really well. Then we'll add a tablespoon of chopped Italian parsley. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese and 4 ounces of an Italian blend cheese. Mix that up, and we're gonna let simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, I have measured out the angel hair pasta, and we're just gonna add half of our cream sauce. Thank you again for watching my channel. Please subscribe, I would appreciate it. Top that with some fresh parsley, and it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoy this delicious recipe.